They developed the engine, developed the wings, developed the tailplane, developed the rudder. But then he wanted more power, more thrust. We pushed the piston engine as far as we could, so the only thing to do then was to bolt 2 jet engines to the side of the aircraft to give the aircraft more thrust.
Yes, and the 3 engines together produce 1,700 pounds of thrust, which is around about the same as the aircraft weighs, so we'll see later on in the display. These jet pits can hover. Richard is enduring some quite extreme forces, anything up to 6 times the force of gravity.
Normal harnesses are sufficient in this aircraft.
Power being applied to one of the jet engines, idle power to the other, and full rudder, and watch the aircraft as it cartwheels round its left wingtip twice. There's the first, and there's the second. Richard comes from a family of aviators. His father was a fast jet display pilot with the Royal Air.
It's not quite a Christmas tree, but
Now, we've seen some military jets in the show today, and we've seen their ability to point the nose vertical and climb and keep on going and going. that was Richard Goodwin in the jet pit.